Hi Taylor, it's Dr. Petitz here. We're looking at number 7 there in your book. The question needs you to copy and complete this chart. They want you to look at these numbers here and figure out which digit is in the tenths place and then also in the hundredths place. So there's a pretty simple way to do this, Taylor, and I'm going to show you how. First, I want you to look at what I wrote here. You're going to see what this is in a second when I flip it on its side, but let's just read what it says. This is hundreds, tens, ones, and this is what we learn in grade 1, 2, and 3. But then we learn numbers with decimals, and the place values look kind of like this. The first one there is tenths. You'll notice the TH there. Hundredths, and so forth. So what we're going to do, Taylor, is take this and we're going to flip it this way. Okay, and you've probably seen this before. It's like a place value chart, and then I'm going to draw some lines like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to put numbers in this chart just like they sort of, I guess, are trying to get you to understand over here. So let's take the first number. It says 3.01. So if we were to write that number here, right, the 3 would go here. Then you have your decimal right beside. Then the 0 would go in the tenths column, and the 1 would go in the hundredths column. So if you look here, 3.01 written in our place value chart would look like this. So they want you to find the value in the tenths place. So you look at tenths here, and then you look down, and the value is 0. So the value that you write down in this box, in this blue box here, is going to be 0. And then in the hundredths place for that number, again, all we have to do is look over here, and you see a 1, right? So you go back there, and you write a 1. I'll write the other numbers for you. I just need you not to just blindly copy though, but understand why it's like that. So there you go, Taylor. The only thing you have to watch out for is that some numbers say like 1.3 over here. Even though there's no number in the hundredths column, you have to imagine really like there is a 0 in there. You just don't write it. So that's basically how you do it. Hope this helps.